Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to submit Expensify. We'll walk through the simplest path to get an expense submitted in the new Expensify interface, keeping everything clear and straightforward so you can follow along in real time. First, open your browser and go to the new Expensify homepage. If you're not already signed in, log in the way you normally do. Once the app loads, focus on the left-hand navigation. That sidebar is your control panel for getting around, and it's where we'll start. In the left navigation, look for the section labeled Reports. This is where Expensify organizes your report-related workflows. Go ahead and click on Reports to open that workspace. You'll see content related to report management, but for submitting a single expense, we're going to pivot to the expense list so we can find the specific item you want to submit. Now, switch to the Expenses view by clicking on Expenses. This will show you a list of your expenses, typically sorted with the most recent items at the top. Take a moment to scan the list and locate the expense you intend to submit. You can click into an expense to open its details. Before you submit, it's a good idea to quickly review the information you see here: merchant, date, amount, and any notes, just to make sure everything looks correct for your approver. When you're ready, look toward the top right of the expense detail view. You'll see the submit button there. Click submit to send the expense through your organization's usual approval flow. After you click, you should see a confirmation or status change that indicates the expense has been submitted. If you ever need to revisit it, you can return to the expenses view to check its status. If you notice a sample expense in your list, you can click on that as well. It's useful for getting comfortable with the layout and seeing where actions live. Even in a sample item, the process and placement are the same, and you'll still find the submit option at the top right. That's the whole path. Open New Expensify, head to the left navigation, select Reports, move into Expenses, pick the expense you want, and use the Submit button in the top right. Keep an eye on the status afterward to confirm it moved from open to submitted. With that, you're done, and your expense is on its way for approval. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.